We're going to do a brief video on Tesla stock, TSLA, Tesla stock analysis. And we've got a daily chart up here with three moving averages. We've got a green 5-day, we've got a red 20-day, and a blue 200-day moving average. Today's Monday the 19th. I'm going to take a look at this stock real quick, and we can see that we're struggling to get out of this bear market. Anything below the 200-day moving average is considered a bear market as far as I'm concerned. And we've come up here about August 1st or so and bounced on and off the 200-day moving average several times. Put it back down here a little bit in bear market territory. Keep in mind, once we get close to the 200, this is a deep bear market. When you get to close to the 200, you're really not in a bear market anymore. And we can see that Friday and today, this is today's price here, the 19th of September. You can see we're above the 200. So we're struggling to try to decide what's going to go on here. So from a trader's standpoint, as opposed to an investor, we're definitely trading somewhat sideways. And we're still in a trader's market. From an investor's perspective, we're trying to decide whether or not the stock's going to break out and go up here to about 340 by the end of, let's say, I think it's probably too soon to say the end of September, but certainly within the next 2 to 3 weeks, could you see 340 out of this stock? I think definitely if you get this 20-day average above the 200, and you of course keep price above all of it, you'll be back in a at least bull market territory, and 340 is a chip shot from where we are now for Tesla, in my opinion. But that's not what's going on right this minute. Right this minute, we're going sideways, and we still haven't proven that we're out of the bear market yet. Again, this isn't strong bear market territory, but it's definitely not strong bull market territory either. So my best analysis right now is if Tesla can continue to rally up a little bit to like 310, and we get this 20-day moving average above the 200, and we keep some support, or marginal support from the 5-day, then we could probably get up to this 340 level within the next 2 or 3 weeks. If we don't see that, if we see a breakdown below the 200-day moving average, you'll notice that this 200-day moving average was flat, but now it's starting to trend down a little bit, and that's definitely not a good sign. We need to make sure that if Tesla is going to stay out of bear market territory, Tesla needs to get a good rally up here in this range around 340. If it doesn't, then you're probably going to see Tesla go sideways for a little bit longer, and you're probably looking at a downside target of about the 275 range by, could be as soon as the first week of October. It may take a little longer. So this is a critical point for Tesla to determine whether or not it's going to be able to get back into bull market territory up here in the 340 range, or continue to remain sideways. There's always a probability that Tesla could break down and test these lows down here from the end of May. But it's too soon to talk about that right this second, although I will tell you this downtrend in this 200-day moving average is definitely not something that I view as a positive. So again, 340 is possible if we get support from the 20-day moving average and everything gets above the 200. But we're also probably looking at a 275 to the downside here within 2 to 3 weeks if we don't get that support, if we don't stay above the 200-day moving average. Let's go down and see what, again, all my opinion for entertainment purposes only. Let's go down and see what RBAM Research says about it today. We have Tesla. We have 1, 5, and 20-day hold periods. We put these out every morning before 7 a.m. This is for the 19th today. Tesla shows no buys today, which is consistent with my analysis. 0 just means there's nothing recommended today. The algorithm says it's not a good day to buy. You can see NIO's buy today, and so is American Airlines. DraftKings got some prices, but there's a lot of zeros here today. Let's go down and take a look at the trend following system that we've put up here. This is for YouTubers only. We don't publish this one. This 30-day one. Everything else that I show you is available at rbamresearch.com. Absolutely no cost, no credit card. But this one we keep, and we just started updating it today for Tesla. The split finally adjusted, and we're showing short on a 30-day trend following system. It's showing go short at roughly $300 and $303. Again, entertainment purposes only. You have to do your own analysis. So this again is consistent with a longer term view that our algorithms are saying, hey, for a trend following system, if you can get 303 and go short at it, that's what it says. Now you'll notice there's a lot of shorts here. There's a short in the S&P 500 for today. These are all out for today. There's shorts in the auto sector and Ford, General Electric, Microsoft. There's very few buys in here. The airlines and it looks like the only buys are the airlines and NIO. Everything else is short. So again, keep in mind, for entertainment purposes only, it's all our opinion, but that's what's going on as far as our indicators. These are, again, available for 190 stocks. You can get them all at rbamresearch.com, absolutely free, no credit card required. We put them out for the stocks, for the most liquid futures contracts, and for the major forex pairs, and then BTC for crypto. You can get them all by 7 a.m. Monday through Friday, following the link in the description below to rbamresearch.com. No credit card required, absolutely free. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that. If you think moving averages are a complete waste of time, please tell us in the comments section. If you think they're great, we think they're helpful, but if you think they're helpful or great, let us know in the comment section below and tell us why. Entertainment only. Everything in these videos, including our entry prices and our commentaries, for entertainment purposes only. You have to do your own analysis. Can't use our stuff for anything other than entertainment, and you definitely trade at your own risk.